Hey guys, it's Nadia Seed, and in this video, I'm going to be getting ready for my first middle school dance. Okay guys, so right now we are in the car and I am heading to Target to get something to wear for the dance. Hopefully I can find something there. I also have to get this hair twisting cream for my hair because I don't have any more. Hopefully everything goes well. Hopefully I can find something that's cute for the dance. And also nobody really knows what to wear because we don't know if it's gonna be a more fancy dance or if it's gonna be just a casual dance. So hopefully I can find something that fits both, sort of. Anyway, let's see what we can find.
Okay.
This is more casual wear here. I think we should check in the other section. Alright. This is a cute dress, but I don't really like it. Let's keep looking. Got the twisting cream. Okay guys, we are back home, but I did go to another place after we went to Target. So we didn't really find anything at Target. So we decided to go to the mall near where I live, and I got some stuff. But I didn't really want to record there because I kind of wanted to keep it a surprise, I guess. Kind of show you guys the outfit later. Stay tuned because I'm not going to show you the outfit until tomorrow, which will be the day of the dance. So see you guys then. For now, I'm going to just try it on real quick. I guess I can show you guys what I got, a little shopping haul. And yeah, it'll be really cute. Hopefully. Okay guys, here is a little shopping haul from the stores. So the first store I went to, as you guys know, is Target. Got this little twisting cream for my hair so I can twist it tonight, and then tomorrow I'll take it out for a nice little twist out look. Here's that. Now, we went to the store and I got these jeans. I'm trying to be quiet because my family's out there, or my mom and my brother are out there because my dad took me to the stores, but they don't know what I'm gonna wear yet, and so I'm kind of trying to keep it a surprise. But anyway, I got these jeans. I think they're super cute. Oh yeah, and I got this from Rue 21. Said the price, but oh well. Then also from Rue 21, I got this shirt. Ooh. So yeah, it is her shirt. I think it's super cute. Yeah, all the clothes that I got were from Rue 21. And just so we're clear, I bought this with my own money. My parents didn't buy it for me because, I don't know, it was pretty expensive, I guess. Okay guys, today is the day of the dance, which is also the day where I show you guys my outfits. But first, I'm gonna take a shower. Just so you guys can see my new hair. I braided my hair last night with the twisting cream that I got, so that way when I take it out later, which I'll show you guys, it'll be nice and curly, just in case you guys are wondering. Anyway, see you after I take my shower. Okay guys, I tried to do that in time lapse because I really didn't have enough time to talk or anything, because time check, it is currently 6:50 p.m. and it starts at 7, and I'm not even out of my house yet, so I'm probably gonna be late, but it's fine because it's not really late to a party. But anyways, I'm all dressed. This is my outfit. I'll show you guys it outside. I just gotta rush. Okay guys, so this is the final outfit that I have, and I took out my hair, as you guys can see, and yeah. I'm really excited for this dance. So let me just give you a little quick tour. So I got these Nike shoes right here, the Air Jordan 1s, Atmosphere. Some people on the streets or whatever call them the bubblegum, because look, it's like stepped in bubblegum. You guys can check, if you guys want more on those shoes, you guys can check Daddy C's channel to see the whole shoe thing. Then I have the jeans, nice jeans. And then I got this her shirt. And then, yeah, that's it. Okay guys, so I'm back from my dance. I'm at home right now and I'm definitely worn out, but it was really fun. I'm glad that I went. And yeah, that's the video. I hope you guys liked it, and as always, make sure you watch another video right now in full, and let's make not normal the new normal with Nadia. Bye.